Hey people, it's February. I have nothing else to do. I'm so lazy. I'm so bored. So let's do another vlog episode in 3, 2, 1. So in 2 to 3 months from now, it's going to be the Eurovision Song Contest. My friends will know I'm crazy about this, but the Eurovision Song Contest is the largest music event in the world. So 42 to 43 countries are coming up together to put up this show. It's a huge spectacle. It's like the Olympics of music. And so there's a lot of artists and talented songwriters who are involved in this contest. And we're gonna do this Guess the Eurovision Song by instrumental on YouTube. So we're gonna play 10 to 15 seconds of music. And I'm gonna guess which country and what year was it entered into the contest. So let's do this. So I have 15 seconds to guess the country and the year. So there's a point system. So we're gonna count that. So every country guess is 1 point. Every year guess is 1 point. So country plus year is equivalent to 2 points. Let's see how many points I can gather. I know this. It has that sand art. I think this is Ukraine 2015. Not sure. Yay! Now 2011. So I got 1 point. What do you want to feel? I like that. 20. Whoa, what is this? I have no idea. UK 2017. Well, it wasn't so popular because they haven't even been in top 5 in that year. But it's a nice song. The Russians 2012? Party for everybody dance. Yeah, I think 2011, 2012. Did I say 2011 or 2012? I think I said 2012, so I'll give myself 2 points. This is such a fun song. Sweden 2015. Is it? Oh, 2014. 1 point. Yep, Sanna Nielsen. Very powerful song, but I don't think it was in top 3. Oh, I like this song. Serbia 2010? 12! Okay, 1 point. I really love the violins. It's so classy. Oh! I don't know this, but it sounds nice. Israel 2014. Okay. It's a nice song. What's this? Oh, this is such a funny song because my friend would, do it. This is Greece 2014. 12. Okay, 1 point. She's so sassy. Ooh, I like this song. Belgium 2010. That I'm very sure. Yeah.
Tell me that I got it wrong.
Boom! 2010, 2
Tell
points.
me everything will be
Okay. Before I fall. Ooh. Ugh. Ugh. The folksy folk songs, which I don't like. But I have no idea what this is.
the sun and color black.
The Eastern Europeans who keep on sending weird
The
songs.
time is turning back.
I wonder why too. Nope, no clue. No clue what this is. Czech Republic, another Eastern European. She doesn't know where to point her hands. Her hands. Wow. Am I? What is this? No idea. Oh! Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan keeps on sending songs that are so memorable, the voice are memorable, but the music is not really. I'm doing really bad. None of this is familiar to me. Serbia, 2016. She looks like, I don't know. Oh, this is Armenia 2010, I think. Yeah, with the apricot thing. There you go. Yeah, 2 points. 2 points. It's a weird song, but you know, it's catchy. It's a weird song. No. Iceland 2012. I don't know what this is. Well, there you go. I think it was not that bad, but I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points. Not that bad. But most of the songs were from Eastern Europe, and that was, I think, the difficulty in this set. So I have 10 points, and I'm happy with the results. So there you have it. I'm sorry there's nothing that I could do better, but I hope you enjoyed. If you want to watch the Eurovision Song Contest, this year they're going to do it in Lisbon, Portugal, because last year they won the contest, and naturally whoever won the contest last year is going to be the host country for the succeeding year. And this year I think we're going to see a lot of competitive songs. I'm tracking Finland. So there's actually a half or part Filipino competing in Melody Festival, and it's the national selection for Sweden for the Eurovision Song Contest. His name is Liam, and his entry, Last Breath, I think is really a powerful entry, and a lot of pundits are actually saying that he could win the contest easily. So let's see how that will pan out. But I really like his entry. I'm gonna show you a clip.
Man behind every stupid move, I promise you. If I'm caught in a fire, if I'm stuck underwater, would you give away your last breath to save me? If I collapsed on the sidewalk and there's no
And the second favorite that I have is of Sara Alto, but we don't know yet for sure which of the three entries would win the Uuden Musiikkilpailu, the national selection in Finland. But my favorite right now is Domino, and second is Monster, but I haven't heard yet the queen, but here's a clip. So sa mga nagsayang ng oras, thank you for dropping by, and we'll see you in the next video.